Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and linking accounts. This saves wasted steps later. Once done, enable developer options or Bluetooth pairing on the Vivo phone so Circle can connect. Make sure you sign into the same Circle account and accept any permission prompts immediately. You should grant location and microphone access if prompted. Those permissions let the search features index content. If a PIN or confirmation appears, enter it now to establish the connection and move to the search setup phase. You now configure the search parameters to focus results and reduce noise. First, open Circle's search tool and select the Vivo phone as your target device. Then set filters, time range, file types, keywords, and sensitivity, so the tool only indexes relevant items. Once configured, start the capture or scanning routine and watch the progress bar. Intermittent drops are normal, but note failures. Make sure to save session logs and export interim results if you need to pause and resume later without losing content. You finish by reviewing and curating the search results. Refine filters if you see too much or too little. Once satisfied, securely export matched items and session logs to your preferred location, and then disconnect the Vivo phone safely to avoid lingering access. Make sure to revoke any temporary permissions you enabled. If you get no results, check that permissions remained granted, verify the connection, and trigger a reindex on the device. Rerun the scan after addressing those points to validate fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.